Welcome to Mobile Site Designer. This video tutorial entitled Hello World will help you get your very first website off the ground. When you've logged in, please click on the Designer tab and ensure that Editor is highlighted in the navigation here. On the left hand side we have our navigation. There is simply just one item in our navigation. This is your home page, denoted by this home icon. On the right hand side we have the editor panel, so let me type in here and give it a title of Hello World ! There is no text at the moment, so I've just copied some text and let me paste it in there. And I can use the editor here to then make some changes to the text. So let's put a couple of new lines in here and make this bold and maybe make this one bold as well, just to give you an example of how we can use the editor. We can of course insert special characters, we can insert links, etc., copy and paste, lots of other different types of formatting. We've got tables in there to list out your site and put tabular information in there. We'll see that the Save button is now highlighted green. If we press the Save, we'll see that the title Hello World is now appearing within the navigation here. Templates we don't need at this point in time. Theme, the default theme is an iPhone clone. Say if I want to choose a different theme, such as maybe a green, no, that's a little bit too bright. A blue, that seems a lot softer. We'll choose this as a theme. So this is the look and feel for your website. Go along to settings. At the moment this is the site name. It says new site. There is no site name at the moment, so let me put in my first website. When I click save, you'll see that this now changes to my first website. Description is used within the meta tag of the HTML, so it's a bit of a technical explanation, but for search engines that helps to understand what the content is and will help to rank the site better in the search results. The site does not contain any adult content, and hosting, we shall keep the hosting in the default format. So here's my website. I will now preview that website. This QR code I can scan with my mobile device and it will take me straight to a preview of the site that I've just built. Alternatively, I can click here. However, this is not an exact representation of a mobile device. This will open up a browser window and give you a rough representation of what the site will look like. I can at this point continue editing if I need to change anything that I see within the preview, or I can now publish the site, and this will now make the site live and visible to the general public. Here I have a new QR code, so this will now take me to the live site, and this is the URL that I can either click on to open up a browser window to take a look at it, or a URL that I can copy and paste into emails and other correspondence. When I go to the hosting options, I can obviously change my hosting options and have a different URL, and even if I wish, have the site published to my own web service if I have one. I hope this brief tutorial helps you get started. Take a look at some of the other tutorials about adding templates and further information about themes and some of the hosting options.